Next topic we are going to see is about elastic energy. Okay, so when a body is stretched, work is done against the restoring force. So whenever a body is stretched, there should be some restoring force, is it not? And against the restoring force, some work is to be done. Okay, and that work done is called as the elastic energy. Okay, so work done to store the object to its original position, that is called as what? Elastic energy. Consider a wire which is unstretched. Okay, it has a length L and it has the area of cross section A, and let us consider the force for this, and for the value of L. Okay, then the work done for F is equal to the energy. Okay, so work done is equal to the energy, and so we are writing dW, which is equal to force into the distance, and so dW, which is equal to F into dl. Okay, so this gives your work done. Yes, and if we need the total work done, we are going to integrate on both the sides. Yes, so if we integrate, we get the equation as W, which is equal to, because dW, if we integrate, that becomes as W. Okay, so W, which is equal to integration of F into dl. So limit we are writing as 0 to L. Okay, now what is the Young's modulus formula is? So this is the formula for Young's modulus, which is given by y is equal to F by A into L by L. So in this, if we need the value of F alone, bring all the other terms to other side. Okay, so we get YAL divided by L. So this gives a value of F. So this value of F we are going to substitute in this place. Okay, so we get W, which is equal to integral of this value. Okay, and so W, which is equal to integral of YAL divided by L into DL. Okay, now instead of this L and DL, that variable we are writing as L dash. Okay, so instead of L, we are writing as L dash. Again, in the last step, L dash will be writing as L. Okay, so now we are writing L dash to be L. Okay, so if you write like that, we get YAL dash into DL dash. Okay, now YA is constant, so we have this term, is it not? So now integrating here, so the integration of YA L dash divided by L into DL dash. So what is that is which you have to integrate is L. So all the other terms we are taking out, which is constant. Okay, so YAL it is taken out, then the integration of DL into, sorry, L dash into DL dash. Okay, so what is the integration of x into dx? The formula for x into dx integration is, it is x square divided by 2. Same way, this can be written as L dash square divided by 2. Okay, so YA divided by L into, this becomes as L dash square divided by 2. Okay, and here we have the limit. So the limit is what? 0 to L. Okay, so the limit is 0 to L. Here also, if you apply the limit, it is 0 to L. Yes, so this term as it is YA divided by L. Now if you apply the limit in this, L dash, it becomes as L square. So L square divided by 2. Okay, so this step is being written here after integrating. Okay, so if you integrate this, we get as L dash square divided by 2, then applying the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0, so we are neglecting it, so just the upper limit. So YAL into L square divided by 2. Okay, now this L square can be written as L into L. Okay, so YA into one value of L divided by this L, and this 2 separately written as 1 by 2. Okay, such that this YAL divided by L can be written as F. Okay, so this term fully becomes F, so we get 1 by 2 as it is, then this term becomes as F into L. Yes, clear with this? I'll say you with this once again. YA divided by L is a constant term, so we are taking this outside, then the remaining is L dash into DL dash. If you integrate this term, it becomes as L dash square divided by 2. applying the limit, so it becomes as just L square. Okay, L square can be written as what? L into L. So we are writing this as YA into L divided by 2 into, okay, L. Okay, this is L, and now this 1 by 2 is written separately, and we get YAL divided by L. This YAL divided by L can be written as what? F into this L separately. Okay, so this gives the value of the work done. Next is, this is also equal to what? Elastic potential energy. So this work done is also equal to what? The elastic potential energy. So we have got with the elastic potential energy. Next is energy per unit volume. That is called as what? Energy density. Okay, so elastic potential energy divided by the volume. So volume is written as a area into the length. Okay, so A into L. Yes, now this is 1 by 2 F into L. Okay, so half F into L divided by A into L. This can also be written as half separately, and this value of F by A separately, and into this L by L separately. Okay, so L divided by L. What is this F by A? That is equal to what? Stress. Okay, L by L is equal to what? Strain. So instead of F by A, which is stress, L by L, which is strain. Okay, so half into stress into strain. So this gives your energy density value. Clear with this? Thank you.